Womp, womp, wow. I've been feeling sunshine. Wow, wow, wow. Trying to hold back the feelings for so long. Wow, 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 wow.
How are we doing? RVA Burger Taster Starter. Wait.
Burger.
RVA Burger Tasters.
Here we are.
Burger. All right. So today we were at Burger Bach
Burger Bach.
for a little birthday lunch for moi. 18. 18. Okay. Oh, me first?
Yeah.
I just got a regular burger. I would say their menu, it costs extra to put cheese on it.
Huh.
It
That
was
really
weird.
put you off.
Because I was just like, no, it's a cheeseburger. Like, can I just not order a cheeseburger? It was
Yeah.
weird.
Yeah.
Hashtag weird.
Yeah.
Anyways, but it was pretty decent. It wasn't the best. Yeah, I would give it like a 6.
Okay, 6.
Mid.
Lizzie, what's your
okay.
review?
Oh, here's my review. So I would definitely maybe a 6.5.
Oh, wow.
I really like the sauces. They came with the fries. They
Wow.
were really good. The truffle one was really good, and the sriracha one was good. My burger was the original burger, and they put onions on it, even though I specifically told them not to. And so
That
Wow.
really that set her off.
Yeah, that not it would have
Specifically
been.
told you not to.
It would have been, but y'all didn't listen to me, so now it's a 6.5. So
Yeah,
wow.
6.5. Dropped it down. I got one that had pimento cheese, the one with pimento cheese. All the toppings are great. Burger Bach is like the Sugar Shack of burger places.
Ooh,
The
yeah,
toppings,
yeah.
the
I
toppings are
agree.
really
I
good,
agree. Yeah.
but the actual burger was a 2.
Kind of like Carrie
Just
Town
not very
burgers and
good.
fries.
Not very good. So I give, in total, I would give it a 3.5.
Oh wow!
Real low.
That's
Wouldn't
crazy.
go back. That's it.
Bye.
I've been feeling sunshine. Wow, wow, wow. Trying to hold back the feelings for so long. Wow, wow, wow.